Actually, they are kind of scary if you think
We're gonna crash!
Goodness, what is a grok doing here?
You better stop calling me that.
Didn't Dandicus ever teach you good manners?
I can teach you how to be eaten alive with piranhas.
Ugh, I guess not.
Go outside. Touch grass.
I see. A milestone without a lash?
I will fucking throw you into boiling lava!
Right. No leash necessary, understood. Scraps, it's my turn on computer.
Fuck off! I'm trying to get Minecraft for free!
Scraps, the last time you tried that, you give the computer 5 citizens! I don't give a fuck! The employers here aren't wanted to pay for Minecraft! Kill yourself! What? Kill yourself!
Lesbian!
Wait, like, I'm truly talent as opposite to untruly talent?
Lesbian!
Yeah.
Let's kiss!
Yeah.
So, are you busy after this?
Huh? Oh, you're asking me! Yes, I'm talking to you. Nope, not busy at all. What do you need? Just help me with
Hiding the body.
Right, of course. Scraps, did you clean your room from all that yarn? Huh? No.
Prepare to die, fool. You need to go back where you came from.
Oh goodness, we'll talk later on it.